Hello guys, I'm Maurice Odera, Clerk of Works, Cicada Crest Apartment. I'm here to take you through October progress. We are standing on 14th floor. 14th floor has been casted 100%. What you are seeing behind me is the formwork for the 15th floor. It's ongoing at 50%. Reinforcement, steel fixing for 15th floor slab is also ongoing at 50%. Formwork for the columns to 15th floor is also ongoing. 50% of the columns have been casted. Lift shaft to 12th floor has been casted 100%. Formwork, 12th floor formwork has also been done 100%. Steel fixing for 12th floor slab done 100%. So 12th floor slab is only awaiting casting. Plastering has been done 20% to 7th floor. Walling has been done 100% to 10th floor on wing A. Walling has also been done up to 7th floor, 100% on wing B.